competition season is over for Word Brothers competition team. And I must say,
how do we do?
Oh, just say we got calls in every competition that we were in. So we did very well this season. Looking forward to next season.
So we got paid.
We got paid. Cut the check. All right? Or give us the cash and prosecute. You know what I mean? But listen, today we got more content coming to you today and in the near future. So be on the lookout. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel. We're doing Leg of Lamb, Word Brother style today. Stay tuned. Catch you in a second. All right, so we're back. Okay? Right now, I'm getting ready to season up this leg of lamb. I'm going to use some olive oil as a binder, okay? And then I'm going to sprinkle on some rosemary, dill, mint, and Italian parsley.
Okay.
Okay, man, you're going to have to put that cup down.
I'm about to put it down, man. Don't worry about what I got in my cup now. We gonna get it. This is what we're gonna get into later on.
Don't worry, we ain't worried about that right now.
A little review of Sailor Jerry.
See, y'all see what this is what he here for. Come on, pull that up. Get in the weight room, buddy. Pour a little bit in my hand. Good, good. All right, so I'm just gonna use this olive oil as a binder, as you can see. Just massaging it all in, all the cracks and crevices. Ain't no pause needed for that.
You gonna rub it in.
Rub me down. All right.
There's some olive oil, baby.
So right now I got my rosemary.
Just oh man, you got oil on your hands. You want me to shake it because you get oil more of it's getting on your hands.
Yeah. Do your thing, brother. Get it in there. Got out, not all of it. I still got the outside. That's good. Got my dill. You know, like you do them other trees. Do it like you do them other trees.
Are we doing the blunt or are we doing the 1.5?
No, this
the
is
tops.
No, this a Philly. I got my mint.
No seeds, no stems.
No sticks. Ooh, wee. More. Yep. Got my Italian parsley.
Oh, almost fumbled.
All right. So you see how we got that? I'm just going to pat that in. Now, some of this garlic. Give me some in my hand. We're going to use a little minced garlic, and I'm going to use from Spice World. Oh, you got it? Yeah, do your thing. And then we're going to use a little granulated garlic, because you can never have too much garlic. That's what I always say.
You want to go heavy?
Yeah, you can go heavy with it. Cool, that's cool with that. All right, now let's hit it with that. Let's hit it with this here. That's good, man. That's good, brother.
I got it, man.
That's good. Now let's hit it with the granulated garlic. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. All right, that's good. All right.
That's all right.
There we go. All right, so we got that done. I'm not gonna bore you with the rest, okay? I'm gonna roll it up and then do the outside, but I'm not gonna bore you with that. All right, so now that we have all our herbs and spices on, we have our rosemary, minced garlic, mint, Italian parsley, and dill on. We're gonna roll this up and do the outside. I'm not gonna bore y'all with that, but we'll be back to you shortly. All right? BbqBourbon&Blues with the Word Brothers, showing you how to do a leg of lamb our way.
One thing, man, where here you don't know where his hands is.
Don't worry about my hands. They were clean. I washed them 2 days ago.
Well, I guess his hand's sort of like a dog mouth. They say it's clean.
I washed it 2 days ago. Don't worry about my ass.
They got a song about it called "Please Excuse My Hands." The heat'll kill it. Don't worry. We'll be back to y'all in a minute. All right, I'm down here at the smoker. We're gonna do the our leg of lamb on our Oklahoma Joe Bronco Pro today. All right, I'm running at 275. Got a little pecan wood in this thing, some Kingsford charcoal. As you can see, I got a beef rib on here as well. So like I said, I wasn't gonna bore you with it. But as you can see, we got it seasoned up properly. I'm gonna set this thing on here. Close it down, let the Pro do what it does, all right? We'll catch you back shortly. Barbecue, Bourbon, and Blues with the Word Brothers. All right, so we're back. We're back with your favorite part of the show, the liquor tasting.
The best part of the show.
Now, usually we do bourbon or whiskey, but today you told me you had something for me. What you got for me, bro?
Today, man, we got some Sailor Jerry. It's priced to move, so it's a nice little spice rum. It's getting close to holiday time, so during holiday time, you may not want something as heavy as bourbon. Of course, you know, we gonna drink bourbon all year long, you know, but
Yeah.
But if you got, you know, your ladies and everything, you may want to hook them up a nice little spice rum drink, you know.
Yeah,
so,
little spice rum cocktail.
Yeah, little spice rum cocktail. So, you know, today we rolling with the old Sailor Jerry. Normally we mess with the captain.
Yeah.
But today we out of the officers club. We gonna go down to the ward hall.
The old
oh,
captain.
my bad. Is it the ward hall or is it what is it?
The
called?
ward room.
Us officers ate in the ward room.
Okay, your officers ate in the ward room. I thought y'all had the officers.
The officers
club.
eat in the officer club.
That's on land.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm talking about aboard ship.
Okay, when
Okay.
you on ship, well, where do the sailors eat at? Do they eat in the ward room too?
In the mess.
They eat in the mess hall.
They just a mess down there.
they eating greens and mashed potatoes and
rice
Salisbury
with-
steak.
Rice with sugar and butter on it.
All right.
Don't ask me for no good peanut butter. Get the one out of the can.
All right. So today we messing with the captain. Captain rolling in at about 92 proof. Excuse me. Sailor is rolling in at about 92 proof. Captain about 80.
Captain soft.
Yeah, Captain kind of soft.
They get a little soft up there in the ward room.
Yeah, so
You gotta be in the mess hall. to eat
you
there.
got the mess hall to get lit.
Yeah.
Like that's why he kept coming down to the mess hall. Cause he was getting lit down there. But nevertheless, Sailor Jerry, man, is a nice. It's a nice spice rum you drink. You know, it's mixed with a lot of spices. You know, but the major spices that you're gonna actually taste when you get it, you're gonna get a hard hit of vanilla and a hard hit of cinnamon. You know, you're definitely gonna feel that cinnamon because it's gonna give you a little slight heat.
Little punch.
Yeah, a little punch at the end. Yeah.
All right.
Normally we kind of mix this down with maybe either a nice Coke or Sprite or something like that, or whatever your favorite
Ginger.
ginger ale chaser is. You know, normally I do it with a little Coke, maybe drop a little cherry on top. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, with the captain though, I'm pretty sure the Sailor too. You hit it with a little bit of that dyed Dr. Pepper.
I don't know nothing about
Squeeze
that.
a lime. You're on to something, bro.
Oh,
Trust
okay.
me. I
Okay.
I found out about that the other day.
All right, little Dr. Pepper and a little lime. Okay,
Dyed Dr. Pepper.
Dyed, we got to try that, but I don't like nothing with dyed in it. You know what I mean?
It's still sweet. They trying that like it ain't. It's
Okay.
still sweet.
Okay, and nevertheless, man, you see a nice little amber color to it, man.
Yep.
So it's all good. So let's go on and get into it.
Look like you already got into it.
Yeah, I already got into it a little bit. And you know, they got a little story behind Norman Collins. They call him Sailor Jerry. I don't know if he was actually in the Navy or not. I'm assuming he was, but he was a good old tattoo artist, all right?
Oh, okay.
So all the thing I can think about is if he was in the Navy, he was the one putting them Popeye tattoos
on people.
on ankle or something like that. You know, you know what I'm saying? So other than that,
Come on, Norm. Come on, Jerry. Put one on me.
yeah. So
Yeah.
other than that, let's get in and see what old Jerry is talking about, man.
All right. Here's to y'all.
You can definitely get that hint of cinnamon. You know, that heat kind of hits you
On the back end. Yeah.
Other than that, man.
Not bad, not bad.
Yeah, the B price the move, he priced the move, he modeled every price.
Yeah.
So if you can't scrap up about $20, $25,
Then you don't need to be
you don't need
drinking
to be
nothing.
drinking anyway. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. And I'm gonna do mine with a CAO or a nub, you know, or a nub Connecticut.
Instead of a black and mild like you normally do.
Well, you know, my palate has been changed.
Oh, you went from regular black and mild to black and mild wine, but today you stepped
and
up.
black and mild select. Don't forget that. No, so but you know, black and milds, regular cigars, I smoke them all. You know, I puff them all. You know.
Yeah, but this is nice.
Yeah. So, all right, man. Well,
we're doing holiday time. Pick you up some Sailor Jerry, maybe some Captain Morgan, and they got other spice rums out there that maybe you can try.
Yeah, like Kraken.
Kraken.
Yeah.
What's the other? Bamboo or whatever it's called. Bacardi Black. Is Bacardi Black? No, that's straight rum.
Yeah, that's just straight rum.
Yeah, but they do got a Bacardi spice rum. I forgot which one. It might be silver or something. I don't know, but definitely fool with Sailor Jerry because he gonna get you lit. Especially if you want to be in that mess hall.
Yeah. Now you could get this from where?
Anywhere.
Anywhere.
Yeah, they got these at all the liquor
Don't
stores.
matter if you're in the hood or in the suburbs, you can get it. Yeah. Sailor Jerry. All right, we'll catch back up with you in a few minutes. Barbecue, bourbon, and blues with the Word Brothers. All right, so we're back. As you can see, I've sliced it already. You know what I mean? Yeah. And we did this Word Brother style with the, you know, all the herbs and spices.
Mm-hmm.
Did it how we liked it. We sitting right here and medium, like, the way we like it.
Medium.
Yeah.
Medium.
Yeah. As you can see, that thing being sexy, it's nice. You know what I mean? Here you go. If you want to see more.
Just give me something to eat, man.
There you go.
All
right. So, like I said before, we're gonna have another video on how to make your fresh tzatziki sauce. Alright? To go with this leg of lamb. We'll catch y'all back on another episode of Barbecue Bourbon and Blues. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel.
To
we love y'all. You know, you see it. You see the herbs and everything in there. Everything is right there for you.
It's nice and juicy.
Nice and juicy, right? Just the way we like it. We'll catch y'all back a little later on the next episode. Peace.